What I'm about to show you could save your life. Just a few steps. This is what I'm talking about. Everything down here is homemade, healthy, organic meats with no chemicals or preservatives. Some last for up to 7 years. And some, like pemmican, can even go up to 50. That means you and your family will have years-long supply of good, healthy food no matter what the future holds, without resorting to bacteria and heavy metals-infested canned meat. So if you want your family safe and well-fed throughout the next hurricane, blizzard, blackout, or whatever disaster is heading our way, just stick with me for the next few minutes and I'll tell you how you can have your own panic room filled to the brim in under a week, with just dimes on the dollar, using a long-lost meat preservation and curing technique that literally saved my life.